I'm going to show you how to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time so you can meet the requirements of the YouTube Partner Program and enable monetization on your YouTube channel. Hello, my name is Herman Drost from DrostDesigns.com. If you want to learn how to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button, then click the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Here are 7 ways to make it easy for viewers to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Number 1, ask viewers to subscribe in your video. I ask people to subscribe at the beginning and also at the end of my video. For example, I say, if you want to grow your YouTube audience and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button. I invite people to subscribe again at the end of my video in the end screen. Number 2, use cards and end screens. When you use a card, link your card to a customized channel trailer which has the purpose of asking people to subscribe. When you use an end screen, YouTube automatically creates an icon for people to subscribe to your channel. Number 3, add subscribe graphics. As you can see at the beginning of this video, I used 2 graphics. One was the subscribe graphic, and the second one was the bell notification icon. This notifies people about upcoming videos that I've published.
Number 4, create a subscribe watermark.
The subscribe watermark appears at the bottom right of all the videos across your channel. Click the card icon to watch my video on how to create a subscribe watermark.
Number 5, create a custom subscribe link.
When somebody clicks on this red subscribe button, they'll automatically be subscribed to your channel. Click the card icon to watch my video on how to create a customized subscribe link. Number 6, add your customized subscribe link in the description of all the videos on your channel. Download the TubeBuddy extension tool to add a subscribe link in the description of all the past videos on your channel. I'll place a link in the description for a tutorial how to do it. If you want to add a subscribe link in the description of all future videos you upload, just click on Upload Defaults and add your custom subscribe link in there. Whenever you upload a new video, it will already be added in the description. You can also add your subscribe link on your website and across all social media sites. This provides an opportunity for people to subscribe to your channel off YouTube. Number 7, create a customized channel trailer. The main purpose of your customized channel trailer is to get people to subscribe. Click the card icon to watch my tutorial on how to create a customized channel trailer. Keep this important thing in mind when you're trying to get 1,000 subscribers to meet the requirements of the YouTube Partner Program. Absolutely don't ask sub for sub because it's against YouTube's terms of service and might result in your channel being terminated. I'll place a link in the description below this video on a tutorial on why you shouldn't do sub for sub and what you should do instead. Let's take a look at how you can get 4,000 watch hours. What does watch hours mean? This is the amount of time that someone spends watching your video. The more time they spend watching your video, the longer your watch time. For example, if your video is 10 minutes long and they watch the whole thing, you'll get 10 minutes of watch time. 4,000 hours of watch time refers to the total amount of watch time accumulated on your channel. You can quickly see how much watch time you've accumulated on your channel by going to YouTube Analytics, then clicking on the Watch Time tab. Click the drop down at the top right and select last year.
If your channel has over 240,000 minutes, then you fulfill the requirements of the 4,000 hours watch time.
Here are 7 tips to get 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel. Number 1, know your target audience. If you don't create content that your audience wants to watch, they'll abandon your videos early. Number 2, target the correct keywords. One of the best ways to get to know your target audience is to find out what they're typing into the search engines. Therefore, enter your main keyword into the Google or YouTube search box and you'll get a bunch of suggestions. If you create videos from the suggested keyword phrases, people will find your videos in the search engines. Number 3, create engaging videos. The first 10 seconds of your video is crucial to grab the attention of your viewers. To keep your viewers engaged throughout the video, change scenes every few seconds. You can do this using graphics, transitions, and B-roll footage. Study your audience retention graph in YouTube Analytics to see where people are dropping off in your video. Place a card just before they drop off so you can keep their attention throughout the video. Number 4, correctly optimize your videos. If you want your video to be discovered in the search engines, you need to use your keyword phrase in the title, description, and tags. Start off the path of your viewer with an attractive thumbnail that leads to your optimized title. If you grab their attention at the beginning, it's more likely they'll continue watching your video. Number 5, add videos to playlists. The great benefit of playlists is that it keeps viewers watching more of your videos. So instead of watching one video, they'll watch several videos in succession. For example, if they just watch a 5-minute video, then you'll just get 5 minutes of watch time. If they watch 2 5-minute videos all the way through in your playlist, you'll get 10 minutes of watch time. When you create a new playlist, it creates a new content ID, which is a different content ID to your video. This sends a signal to YouTube there's activity taking place on your channel. Number 6, optimize your channel homepage. When you publish a new video, many new visitors come from your channel homepage. Therefore, make sure you have an attractive channel banner, a customized channel trailer, and organize the sections of your channel homepage into playlists. Place your best performing playlist at the top. When people take a deeper dive into the content on your channel homepage, you'll get more watch time hours for your channel. Number 7, repurpose your video content. Instead of just promoting your video across social media sites, why not repurpose your content to expand your audience? For example, you can embed your video on your website. You can offer solutions to people asking questions in forums and groups by dropping a link to your video that's related to their question. If you want to know 10 alternative ways to repurpose your video content, click the link in the description below this video. Here's a bonus tip. Be consistent. Channel growth doesn't happen overnight. It requires a consistent publishing schedule. So if you want to get more watch time hours and subscribers, publish more frequently. Here are a couple of frequently asked questions. What happens if I drop below the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? If your channel has previously reached these requirements, you won't lose monetization privileges. How can I generate revenue from my channel if I don't meet the requirements? Don't worry, just click the card icon to watch my video on how to monetize YouTube videos without 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. If you want to generate more prospects and sales with YouTube, download my YouTube marketing guide. Click the card icon to download it now. If you want to learn how to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and subscribers on autopilot, click the subscribe button below and check out the related videos.